When I walked back into my school after almost 10 years, it felt like time had paused, waiting for me. I saw myself in these halls again, confident on the outside, restless on the inside.
Please welcome our former student, Manoj Kumar.
I was not here to impress anyone. I was here to tell the truth. So many bright minds, lost in small, glowing worlds, just like I once was. Today, I want to tell you my story. Not to scare you, but to help you choose better than I did.
It began 10 years ago when I was 15. Angry, confused, certain that everyone else was wrong.
You don't even know the trick properly. I do. You're just playing it wrong.
Watch your attitude. I thought standing my ground made me strong. I didn't realize it was pushing me further alone. Manoj, stop it. They're seniors. This can get ugly. Why should I stay quiet when they're wrong? Manoj, anger doesn't solve arguments. It only makes them louder. What's going on here? That moment felt powerful, but it was the sound of everything breaking. I didn't hear advice anymore. I only heard my own anger. Please put the phone down and listen to us. Why is everything a problem for you? I'm not doing anything wrong. We're not against you, son. We're worried about you. Happy birthday, Beta.
Thanks, Dad.
These might help you understand what you're feeling.
I already know all this. I didn't reject the books. I rejected help. The screen became my escape, and slowly, my cage. See, I just wanted to get away from everything I couldn't control. Stop! Slow down, kid! I thought the whole world was chasing me. All the noise, all the anger, it disappeared. I was just a scared kid falling. What were you doing out here in this storm? Are you hurt, kid? Stay still! I had never felt so small and alone. I felt trapped. Alone. Every mistake felt enormous.
Manoj, it's okay. We're here.
We just want you safe, Beta.
Okay, did he do something fault, Mom?
But since the next 3 days are holidays, we have to wait until regular hours to process everything. Maybe these can help you think while you wait. I felt fear, but also a spark of hope. Some pages frustrated me. Others made me pause. For the first time, I realized my anger didn't have to control me. By the time I left, I knew I wanted to try to be better. After all the storms, after all the mistakes, this hug like home again. I saw them, distracted, frustrated, searching. Getting angry doesn't fix anything, but understanding yourself, that can change everything. I felt grateful that maybe my story could help them before it got too late. I had found peace and a path to help others find theirs.